everyone, Amanda here. Thanks for joining me. So today I'm going to share with you a box sent by YourCreativeStudio. I've shared quite a few of these boxes and they asked if I would share for them again. I do like to try and support small businesses, and so I said yes. And I'm not going to lie, I do like what's in these boxes. I find them very useful and they're very good value for money. Beautifully packaged, you always get a thank you, and it's always wrapped in this beautiful paper, which I do recycle in my journal making. So I can't remember which month they said they'd sent me. I want to say April. So a back, you know, like a back copy of one, but I'm not sure. So let's see what we've got. I've no idea. So what we got first of all? Oh, this looks nice. All right. So I'm just gonna. No, I'm not. Let me just slide. If I just slide the packaging out, then it won't be in the way. I like to keep the box on camera because then you can see just how much you've got. Now, the benefit of these are that all the hard work's been done for you, basically. And everything coordinates, everything's beautifully packaged. You're getting a little bit of everything. You're not having to buy, you know, thousands of things. You don't have to wait for ages for them to come because they, you know, you can subscribe to them so they come regular. And I like the way that everything coordinates personally. I love the packaging. I'll reuse that backing card. I'll reuse that. Beautiful. So this one is stamps. So I don't know what the theme is. We might come across a theme. You know, it might become apparent. So these are some lovely butterfly theme stamps. There's loads there. There's an awful lot there. And the benefit of these is that I believe they're self-adhesive, so you don't even need any glue. So there's loads there. Loads. Don't know how many pieces there is. Does it tell you? 46, I think. So there's absolutely lovely, and they're all lovely. The vintage style, but at the same time they've got lots of lovely colour to them, so they're not boring. What's these? These are little bird stickers. Look, they're cute, aren't they? And they look like line drawings. So they're kind of black and white, and they are, if you can see, these like see-through, aren't they? That's nice. So you could layer those on your clusters and still see what the, you know, what's beneath. So what's this here? So this is like rice paper. Let's have a look, like tissue paper. These are lovely. They're lovely for decoupaging. Yeah, decoupage some of this over some dictionary page or book sheet and make beautiful tags. Look how delicate it is. It's lovely. So these are bird themes. So maybe it's a nature theme. They're all the same. You get quite a few. Those are pretty. Really nice. Or if you want to add some interest to a journal page, just put some of that on. Rip the edges to make it interesting and put some of that on. Okay. So here we've got some more stickers, and these are some lovely birds again, and maybe we've got a bird theme. Again, you always get heaps, absolutely heaps. Lovely. Those are really pretty. Are they self-adhesive? Yeah, they're stickers. They're stickers, so your life's made much easier. So if you want to do, you know, a little mini collage book or whatever, you can put a page together really quickly. It's really popular on Instagram. I've seen loads of people with just a little notebook, and they just use stickers and washi tape and stamps and create collage pages, little mini art books, and they look fantastic. What's this one? There's some kind of little, oh, I like that. Like little labels, and here we've got some little like jars with flowers in, but I love these because these are cute. Are they all the same? Yeah, they're all the same, but these are awesome to have on hand when you're doing a journal. If you've got lots of pockets to fill and lots of tucks, these kind of little books are handy because it's just there to hand. You don't have to make everything, and just rip a page off and tuck it in a pocket and you're good to go. Perfect. I love those, and I love that you get lots of it. So I probably will never use all of those, but what I can do is I can split it and I can share some with my friends. So these look like little washi tape stickers, like banners, note bar stickers. That's what they're called. I call them like little banners. Great for layering underneath words, for example. And these are all like newspapers or advertisements. And they've got like a nice faux ripped edge look at either end. So you'd peel that off and just stick it underneath. Maybe stick one of your birds over the top, or your words, or whatever. Brilliant again for your collaging or adding to your tags when you're journaling. And there's loads there. You get quite a lot. How many's in there? Does it give me a number? 60. So again, you're getting enough to last a good fair while. Hey, what's this? Time Traveller. So this looks like all different papers. And again, I'd use the script there. I'd probably make something out of that packaging because I can't help myself. Yeah, so these are all like little bits of vintage ephemera with writing on. Historical Society. So these are cool. Again, great for layering. If you're doing collaging, rip them up, or just simply add them into a pocket. It could be a layer on a tag and then add other things, put that underneath. Fabulous, and you're getting heaps there, and the different sizes as well, look. Those are like little bits of letters and stuff. Those are fabulous, I like those. Oh look, you've got some music paper there as well. Brilliant, and they're also really cool because they're small, so they're in a nice kind of like scale or proportion, if you like, for collaging. Perfect, I like those. What we got here? Washi tape. Again, you can see how beautifully they're all packed. And I'm going to go and wreck it. So we've got some nice washi tape here. It's nice washi tape that you get in these boxes. I have a jam jar on my desk full of the washi tapes that I've received from these kits, and I do use them quite a lot, so that's nice. It's got like florals and then birds. It's got a vintage feel, so that's pretty. I don't like to waste. You'll just have to bear with me while I roll it back up because I can't bear to waste anything. Right, what's these? More paper ephemera with birds. So seems like a bit of a mixed bag. This is cute. Oh, look at that. All oh, these are lovely. Butterflies, birds, flowers. Those are gorgeous. How pretty are those? Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Love them. And then what's this one? Yeah, so the basic theme must be birds. Maybe, because we've got some bird stamps here. And they stamp quite nicely, these. I've used some of the other ones from the other kits, and they're pretty good. They're alright. They do the job. Great for your collages. What we've got here? Oh, we've got some. I love tickets. Can't get enough of tickets. Again, great to always have to hand. I've got a little sandwich tub that I'll put this in, and when I need something, you know, to fill a little pocket or something, or to do some layering with, I can just grab these, and I've always got some things to go in my pockets. What we got here? So this looks like we've got a little, what do they call these? Are they pillar boxes? Looks like we've got a couple of little pillar boxes here. So maybe these are for you to, oh, just one. Maybe this is for you to decorate. So you just push those in like that. Push that one in. You get the gist. It will fold on top of each other under pressure. But it's a little pillar box. So what have we got here? We've got quite a little, we've got some of this like jute string, which is cute. And then we've got some more papers for layering, all different. Oh, that's cute. It's like a little book with some twine round it and wax seal. That feels like it might be a sticker. So yeah, all different. Oh, what's these? It's like a mixed pack of ephemera, isn't it? Because these little tags are cute, so obviously that's for your string. Put your little tags on. And they're made out of more like cardstock. So they're cool, aren't they? Little tags, little radio, birds. There's all sorts there. Oh, I like that. All sorts of stuff. That's pretty cool. That's like a little journaling card. I'd slip that in a pocket. How cool's that? Vintage scene creator. Are these stickers? I think they might be. Or maybe you just rip them up, trim them out. Not quite sure. Oh, I like these. They look like little papers with all paper clips on. And some more. That's like an invoice. And that's like newspaper or book page. Here we've got some mini, what they call it? Are these stickers? I don't know if these are stickers. Or if it's a sticker sheet. I'm not sure. Or whether you trim those. It feels like it's stickers. I'll have to investigate, I'm not quite clear. But there's an awful lot of different ephemera there. It wouldn't bother me trimming them little advertisements out so that I can glue them on. But I do feel like they're probably a sticker sheet. So that is this one. I don't know, as I said, not sure which month it is. But we've got quite a good mixture of things there. So yeah, that's a very interesting box, and I may well go and do some collaging with this. I think it's really pretty. So yeah, I will leave a link in the description box below for the YourCreativeStudio site, although I do think a lot of people will be aware of them now. They are very reasonable price-wise for the amount of stuff you get, and like I say, all of the hard work's done for you. They've already put everything together. It's all packaged up nicely. You know that everything's going to be of a certain kind of style and quality. You're not going to suddenly get, you know, something sky blue, pink with yellow dots on. You're going to get what we're all traditionally using within our journals. And I think there's something for everybody there. So yeah, that's lovely. I've enjoyed that, and I'm glad they sent it me. So thanks for watching. The link is in the description box below. Thank you to YourCreativeStudio for sponsoring this video. They did send me this box for free, so how lucky am I? Thanks for watching. Take care, and I'll see you again very soon. Bye for now.